Hey Vegas, I'm here in a property tour here by El Cholo Way. It's by the 515 highway and the 95 or 93 highway and by Tropicana Avenue. And by the way, this is Marloni Pedrosa with EXP Realty. And I put up videos every week on my YouTube channel. And I'd love for you to subscribe to keep you in touch with what's going on in the Las Vegas Henderson market here in Nevada. And also if you would like to know how much how the interest rates are, how this market will apply to the value of your home, or if you know anybody who lives here, or if you just want to go and talk about the real estate market, feel free to check the link below or book and call with me, 702-354-3262, and my email is marloni.pedrosa@exprealty.com. And anytime, I'd love to chat with you guys. So let me turn the mirror here. So this is the view outside neighborhood, and it's about 15 minutes to the strip, and you can see the highway there, the 550-95 highway, and a few blocks in front of this houses is going to be the Tropicana Street. So going in the house, so this property is listed by Infinite Brokerage, and the agent is Kevin Gaujon. So thank you, Kevin. And this property is listed at $394,995. So this property was built on 1977 and is in the subdivision of El Encanto here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So as you go in, on the door, that's the front door, there's like a receiving room in here. And you can see the window here. Outside, see the street. And just you turn around. So this is like the back wall of the kitchen. When you go inside, they have like a small storage for probably the kitchen, or for the coats and stuff. And then as you turn right this way, it's the kitchen right there. And then the schools that they have in here, you can see on the description below, if you want to know more about the schools around this property. I know there's the Ulum Elementary School and the Woodbury CW Junior High School, and the Chaparral High School is the zone for this property, and you can find out more on those schools on the description below. So this house is 2 stories with 2-car garage, and it's approximately 1,895 square feet of living space with a lot of 7,405 square feet. So this property has a bigger lot. So this is the kitchen, and it has the quartz countertops. You've got the fridge space in here. Got the microwave, stainless steel appliances. You get the beautiful faucet right here on the sink. There's a turn right. Here you see, I think that's like the family room, and that's the backyard. And I'm not sure if the fireplace is still working. I think it's just like for decoration purposes. So that's the double doors right there. We'll go outside in the backyard after we finish here. So we'll go this way. So again, this is a 4-bedroom house, and the master bath is on the first floor, and it has a 3-bath, 2 full bath, and a half bath here on the first floor. So before you go inside the master bedroom, there's like a small storage in here. Turn left is the door to the garage. Pretty good size garage. So it could probably fit 2 big trucks. That's good. And this is the powder room that we have in here. So it's just like a half bath. And then beside the powder room is the master bedroom. So it's got some ceiling fans. They've got matching ceiling fans on all bedrooms. And they've got this 2 closets here, probably a his and hers type. And as you go around, and they have like a big window here that goes through the backyard. And then they've got a full bath here in the master bedroom. Turn on the lights. There you go. So it's like a walk-in shower, you know, with the nice tiles in there. So just recently renovated. The toilet. It's got like some modern lights in the bathroom. As we go out, so that's the master bedroom. It's pretty nice, you know, good for a 1977 built house. As I've said, it's just recently been remodeled. So as we go through, we're gonna go upstairs. And again, by the way, you know, if you are relocating or planning to move in here in Las Vegas, you just leave a comment below, and I'll gladly send you a home buyer's guide and tell you everything you need to know in order to get a home here in Las Vegas. All right, this is the stairs. So as we go up, you know, they made like a small railing here on the side. So, you know, this house is a 2-story that has been newly renovated. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, quartz countertop, you know, new white shaker cabinets. All right, so this is 2nd floor. This is their 2nd bathroom upstairs, full bath. That's pretty cool. Pretty much the same as the master bathroom, and with the materials. And they have this vinyl flooring that they have. You know, it kind of looks laminate, but it's vinyl. That's pretty good. Let me light this up. You get 3 bedrooms in here. And they got this kind of like a modern light that they have. Usually, I think before they only have like a lamp light here. Big nice windows. And as you can see, most of the neighbors have solar panels in here, like 5 of them I could see out here. And got some storage closets in there. And again, this house was built in 1977. This is the 3rd bedroom. So pretty nice window. I think this the rooms are about 11 by 11 feet. And that's the street and the front door. You've got some storage up here. They've got that modern lighting out there. And the last bedroom pretty much the same on the next room down here. So again, you know, this property is about 15 minutes away from the strip, and from the airport probably about 20-25 minutes. It's not too bad. And this is the controls for the AC, and I think they have 2 AC condensers on the roof. So we'll go back down, turn the lights off in this bath, and we'll check out the backyard. All right. So it's pretty nice. You know, I think this property has a few price decrease in the last couple months. And you see that matching ceiling fan right there with the other rooms. And we're going out to the backyard. Pretty good sized backyard. The lot is about 7,400 square feet, so it's pretty large. So they've got this big pine tree on the left side. Pretty quiet neighborhood, you know, and the the next house is not too close to the walls. And I think if you have like an RV, they have an RV parking here on the side. You know, the neighbor even has like a trailer. Probably they don't want to park it on their RV parking space. And we'll go to the other side. So pretty big size backyard in here. You know, still have like some rocks in this side and just dirt on the other side. So they did a good thing with the virtual picture on the MLS. They put some grass on the backyard, but it looks pretty nice. But it still looks pretty nice without the sign anyway. So that's the other side of the house. On the backyard, they have a gate here. So probably they have like a couple of dogs before, probably. And that's it. So it's pretty good property, nice property, but you know, it's about 45-year-old house anyway. So again, this has a 2-car garage and like an RV parking. And again, you know, if you're interested in looking at properties, you know, by the way, this is Marlon Pedrosa with EXP Realty again, and I put up videos every week on my YouTube channel, and I'd love for you to subscribe, you know, to keep you in touch with what's going on in the Las Vegas Henderson market and here in Nevada. And also, if you would like to know, you know, how the interest rates are, how this market will apply to the value of your home, or if you just want to go and talk about the real estate market, feel free to check the link below or book and call with me 702-354-3262, and my email is merloni.pedrosa@exprealty.com. and anytime, I love to chat with you guys. So have a great day. God bless everyone. Salamat Vegas.